I'm Charlie, and back, and today I am going to be doing a Scratch tutorial. So let me just delete that and let's get started. So first you want to delete the cat unless you're going to use it, obviously. Then you're going to want to choose a sprite. So I'm going to go to here. And if you want to go to your pictures, what you do is you go to computer, see, users, your thing, and then pictures should be there. So for this tutorial I will be using the core, and if you would like to edit the sprite, then what you do is obviously go to costumes and edit, and you can make it smaller or bigger. It actually doesn't really matter, but yeah. So what I tend to do is normally make it a little bit smaller. And yeah, but you don't have to. But that's just a suggestion. And also, if you want to draw your own sprite, then what you can do is go to here and draw a sprite. So I'm not going to use this sprite, but just say this was your sprite. You can see that's the sprite there. So what I'm going to do is actually draw a sprite. And I'm just going to draw a little stick figure. So yeah, you can get like shapes and all that, and if you want it to be solid or not, you click here. Okay, that's fine. I will put the stick figure here. So what you're first going to want to do for this tutorial, which is forever loops and if else is. So we're going to put a when this started. Forever. If inside it. Then we're going to be making another sprite. A red box, and yeah, so we're going to go back to here. We're going to go to sensing, if touching sprite 2, which is the block, and then what you put underneath is what it would do if it's touching it. But if it's not touching it, then you can put like move whatever steps. So I'm just going to put move 0.1 steps until it touches that. And here for the if, let's just put move 90 degrees. So it's sort of like an animation that we have here so far. So you can see it's going to move up to the red block very, very slowly, but it will eventually. And you can obviously move, like, change everything. But, yeah. It's taking its time. And then I'll just start spinning around. If you wanted to stay in a position like this, and also, let me just do something. Okay, cool. Stop everything. Got it? So what we're going to do is 2. So when started, forever, do all this. Move 0.1 steps. And then we're going to put in a second one to go to this, which will be a current coordinates at where the sprite is. So you can see it's just going to start moving. And then where it stops and starts again, it starts there. So that can be pretty useful. So yeah, let's just do new. Actually, I'll just. So that's one thing you can do. Second thing is you still put in this. Obviously, it makes life a whole lot easier. So remember, every single thing you're doing, if it's at the exact start position, so if it's at the exact start position, put a when flag clicked, go to the coordinates. So that's the first thing you should do for everything. So the normal forever loop would be something like forever turn around like this. And sorry if that was a quick cut there, but be turn around like this. That's a forever loop. And you can have a normal if, or you can have a normal if loop. Normal if loop, so like if touching mouse pointer, so it's easier. Then I don't know, let's just do 10 steps, I guess. So as you can see, oh wait, restart. It's not going to the right spot. God. Rotate. Okay. Let's plop a new one in. And start. Doesn't seem to work, but let me just do something like sprite 2 and put it there and go. So you can see it's moving behind it. Except obviously it's only going to do it once because it's not a forever loop. There's also a forever if, which is basically the exact same thing as doing this. It's just a shortened version. So yeah, it's basically the same thing. And then there's the forever else. And I'll also like to show you the stop all button, which can be very, very useful and can also be, I don't know, but yeah. And instead of a forever loop and you don't want it to go on forever, you can just do a repeat. So let's just say you want it to repeat 5 times. It would repeat 5 times. So I'm going to put all those skills together to create an animation. So let's get a forever if else. And inside the else is another if. Wait, what? And then we'll put a stop all in there. Right there. And put up here if it's touching sprite 2. Else moving 0.1 steps. And here to turn, yeah, I'll do 15 degrees and put in here let's make a new sprite, which is this green one. Just make a little green square, and this green square will just go we'll just move left and right. No, I'll go, yeah, left and right when clicked. Forever. Move. No, I didn't mean for it to start, God. Move minus 10 steps, which means it's going to move in the other direction. And do this. And then we're going to put in the thing that we should have put in at the start. Move 10 steps, minus 10 steps. But we're going to try and make it so it's possible for this stick figure not to. So if space bar is pressed, which is a new thing, what we shall do is put in a change x, I'm pretty sure, x by minus 10, and if if left arrow is pressed, change X by 10. And go here if touching sprite 3, then stop all. So you can see we've sort of made something. Let's go. Damn it, it's already ended. Okay, so it's Y. So it's Y to go up and down. Set Y to... Okay, so that's that, and minus 10, and let's do that, and let's make it do 50 steps. So you just need to do that, and minus 50. Let's go. So you only need to press it about 3 times, okay. Oh, come on. No, stop. Go. So yeah. And that just resets it. God, okay. Oh, wait a sec. I see why. It's supposed to be change Y by minus 50. And then almost made it to the end. Almost there. And it has touched. It's not working now, God. Okay. It's moving back. And if it touches that, then I'll stop. So that'll be fun. Whatever. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, punch the like button in the face. And if you'd like to see more, then definitely punch the like button in the face, I guess. And I will see all you guys in the next video. Peace out.